Welcome to my review of CleverReach, one of the popular email marketing platforms in the market. If you're looking for a tool to streamline your email campaigns, automate processes, and gain valuable insights, CleverReach could be one of your options. In this video, I'm going to break down the platform's features, the ease of use, and share my honest experience with it. Let's start by looking at the dashboard, which is fairly clean and user-friendly. Setting up an account is straightforward, but you do need to verify your email before diving into the features. Once you're in, you can immediately start creating your first email campaign, and CleverReach offers a number of templates to help you get started quickly. The drag-and-drop editor is handy for customization, though I found that more advanced customization options could be a bit limited. It's decent for most users, but may not satisfy those looking for deep design flexibility. One of the key strengths of CleverReach is its automation features. You can set up automated email series, segment your audience, and trigger emails based on user behavior. This is great if you want to nurture leads and maintain engagement over time without having to manually send emails all the time. However, I did notice that the automation setup is not as intuitive as some other platforms. It took me a while to fully understand how to connect triggers and actions, and I found the documentation to be a little lacking in detail. Now, let's talk about analytics. CleverReach provides a solid set of metrics, including open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and more. The reports are easy to read, but again, there's room for improvement when it comes to deeper insights and segmentation. The platform does a good job of tracking overall performance, but if you're looking for highly advanced reporting, you might find it a bit lacking. Pricing is another factor to consider. While CleverReach does offer a free tier, it comes with limitations. The paid plans are relatively affordable compared to some other major players in the email marketing space, but the cost can add up quickly as your list grows, or if you need more advanced features, like dedicated IP addresses or advanced reporting. Overall, CleverReach is a solid option for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a reliable email marketing tool, but it does have its drawbacks, particularly for those looking for advanced customization or reporting. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. As far as customer support goes, I had a mixed experience. The live chat feature is quick, but I found that responses from the support team weren't always as thorough as I would have liked. If you need detailed help, be prepared to dig through the knowledge base or wait for an email response. That being said, CleverReach does offer a decent range of educational resources, and there's a helpful community forum where you can get advice from other users. To wrap things up, I would say that CleverReach is a good tool for businesses looking for a straightforward email marketing solution with a focus on automation. While it's not perfect, it definitely gets the job done for most use cases. If you're interested in trying it out, check out the link in the description for some helpful resources. Don't forget to like the video if you found this review useful, and subscribe for more honest reviews of digital tools.